Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and delete your LinkedIn account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, what you're going to do, simply going to go ahead, first access your LinkedIn app, go ahead, open it up. Now afterwards, go ahead, tap on your profile icon on top left corner of your screen and tap on the settings icon that will be just given below, go ahead, tap on it. Now what you're going to do is simply going to go ahead, tap on this option called account preference, so that is just on top. Once you have tapped on it, you're going to find all kind of profile information, settings, and general preferences. Simply scroll down, avoid them, and tap on this option called close account, which will be given in the account management section. Tap on it. Now you can see this kind of interface will again appear for you. You're gonna go ahead, tap on your close account, stop now, and then this kind of notification will appear for you. Go ahead, tap on this continue option again, and now you're gonna go ahead, choose a reason for you. Let's say if we choose all that, we had to write down. So we're gonna go ahead, it's simply gonna have a privacy concern, tap on next, and now it will ask for you to enter the password that you created while you're creating an account. You're gonna tap on this done option, tap on this check box as well, check it, and then you will be able to close your account, aka delete your Telegram in LinkedIn account like that. So this will be it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.